Hello everyone. In this session, we'll be talking about the user functions in Tableau. The user functions in Tableau are a set of functions that allow you to extract the information about the currently logged in user when you are working with the Tableau server or Tableau Online. These functions provide valuable insights into the user related data and enable you to customize your Tableau visualization and reports based on some user attributes. Here are some of the commonly used user functions in Tableau. The first one is the full name. The second one is ISFULLNAME. Third one is ISMEMBEROF. Fourth is username. The fifth is the user domain. And the sixth one is the username. Now let's try to understand them one by one. If we talk about full name, in Tableau, the full name calculated field is often used when we are dealing with a data set that includes the information about individuals or entities. It represents the full name of a person or entity, which typically consists of their first name and last name. This calculated field is helpful for creating more readable and informative visualizations or reports. Instead of displaying the separate first name and last name fields, you can use full name to present a complete name, which makes it easier for end users to understand the data. The next one is the is full name option. The is full name calculated fields serves as a different purpose. It's commonly used for data visualization and quality control. When you want to ensure that a particular field adheres to the pattern of a full name, that is, it has both a first name as well as a last name, you can create a is full name field. This can be especially useful when you are cleaning or filtering data to exclude the records that don't conform to this pattern. The next one is member of. In the context of user management access control, the is member of calculated fields plays a significant role. It is used to check whether a user or entity belongs to a specified group or category. For example, if you have a data set of employees and groups within these organizations, you can create an is member of field to determine if an employee is a part of particular department or the team. This information can be essential for managing permissions and the access rights that are being given. The next one is username. Similar to is full name, the is username calculated field is often employed for the data validation purpose. When you want to ensure that a particular field follows a pattern of a username or a user ID, you can create an is username field. This helps to maintain the data quality and consistency, especially when dealing with a user related. The next one is the user domain. The user domain calculated field typically represents the domain or organizational unit to which a user or entity belongs. It can be derived from user email addresses or other user attributes and provides a way to categorize the user based on their affiliation within an organization. For example, you can use a user domain to group users by the departments or branches. The next one is the username. The username is a crucial calculated field often used for user identification and tracking. It typically represents a unique identifier for a user or entity. In practice, it is commonly employed in user authentication systems and database records to uniquely identify the users. Username is individual for ensuring that each user's actions and data are properly attributed and tracked. Since right now we are working on the Tableau Public, it is not possible to show all these calculated fields over there. When you are working with an organization and you are using the Tableau Online or Tableau Server, these kinds of calculated fields will come in handy. These calculated fields related to user and identify attributes are essential for managing and analyzing the user data in the Tableau effectively. They play a significant role in the data quality, access controls, and user-based analysis, which enables the organization to make the informed decisions and gain the valuable insights from their data. These user functions would empower you to create the dynamic and personalized experience for your Tableau use. For example, you can display a personalized welcome message on a dashboard using the full name function, restrict the access to the sensitive data using the isMemberOf function, or track the user-specific action and preferences with the username and user domain function. By leveraging these functions, you can enhance the user engagement and tailor your Tableau visualizations to meet the unique users of each user or group. So I hope these calculated fields were clear to you. We'll be meeting with the next session where we'll be talking about different kind of visualizations present in Tableau. Thank you.